In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion. It's a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with a powerful tool to help you monitor and cultivate your habits. First things first, make your way to your workspace in Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace app that combines writing, task management, and note-taking, making it an ideal platform for building a habit tracker. Now, once you're on the Notion homepage, if you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and click on Log In. Enter your credentials to access your personalized Notion space. This is where you'll be setting things up. After you are logged in and have navigated to the Notion home screen, look for the Templates button. This is an excellent shortcut for creating a wide range of organized pages without having to start from scratch. Click on Templates and you'll be presented with a variety of options. In the search bar, type Habit Tracker and scan through the results. Notion offers a diverse range of templates designed for various tracking needs. These pre-made formats save you tons of time and are totally customizable, allowing you to tailor them to fit your specific requirements. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, select it. This will showcase a preview of what the template offers, giving you a better idea if it aligns with your objectives. Next, you'll want to add this template to your workspace. Do this by clicking on Add, which incorporates the chosen format into your Notion account. You'll now have a fully functional habit tracker ready to go, straight from the template. However, the real power of using Notion is in its versatility. So your next step is to start personalizing this template to meet your unique needs. Begin by editing the template according to your habits and goals. You can change the titles, adjust the checklists, and make sure it reflects your daily routine. You may want to add columns for specific habits you're focused on developing. Perhaps modify the week start date to fit your schedule, or include notes and reminders if that helps you stay on track. Remember, the idea is for this tracker to work for you. So explore the formatting options and make it yours. And there you have it. You've created a habit tracker in Notion, customized to keep you consistent and accountable in achieving your goals. Keep this page updated as you progress. Small tweaks can make a big difference in helping this tool remain effective. Happy tracking!